Hey guys, good morning and welcome back. Today we will try to analyze the stock radar for today, which are the stocks having their own individual news, and which are the stocks will be in focus because of their own results. So we will try to analyze, and we will try to analyze the broader market perspective of our Nifty 50 as well. Before going to that, let me give a disclaimer that the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. Without any further delay, directly let us jump into the stock radar for today. Godrej Agrovet will be in focus because the board has approved an initial investment of up to 110 crores to set up a new feed plant in Maharashtra. So they are trying to, they are going to set up one more feed plant in Maharashtra. For that, the board has approved 110 crores. So because of that, Godrej Agrovet will be in focus. So then comes Maruti Suzuki. In July 2024, Maruti Suzuki India Limited reported a sales of 1,75,041 units. The total sales for the month included the domestic sales 1,40,000 and the other OEMs 10,000 units, and exports are of 23,000 units. So because of that, because of their sales data, Maruti Suzuki will be in focus. So then comes Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises has announced that it will demerge its food FMCG business, including all associated activities, assets, liabilities, and strategic investment in Adani Commodities to Adani Wilmar. So because of that, Adani Enterprises will be in focus. So basically, they are trying to demerge the FMCG business from Adani Enterprises, and they are transferring it into the Adani Wilmar. So then comes KP Green Energy. So don't get confused with KP Green Energy and KPI Green Energy, guys. So this is different. KP Green Energy. The company has received a new orders from multiple clients, both domestic and international, totaling 53 crores. So they got one order from both domestic and international clients that worth of 53 crores. Because of that, KP Green Energy will also be in focus. So then comes IIFL Securities. SEBI issued 3 lakh penalty on July 30th for incorrectly listing 18 clients as being from the Sikkim in the MCX database. Because of that, IIFL Securities will also be in focus. So then comes Nestle India. The company invested 706 crores in the joint venture with Dr. Reddy's Labs and sold its existing medical nutrition and nutricity nutraceuticals business to the JV company for 219 crores. So they are going to invest 700 crores in the joint venture with the Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, and they sold that medical and nutritious and nutraceutical business into the JV company. So then comes Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The same this company is also invested 734 crores in the joint venture with the Nestle India, undertaking the nutritional business in the India and Nepal. So because of that, both Nestle and Dr. Reddy's Labs will be in focus, guys. So then comes, as it is a result season, there are many stocks has announced its results. Many companies have published its results. So come one of them are Kalyan Jewelries. So the company has reported a 24% year-on-year increase in the net profit, and its revenue went up to 26% as well. So I have covered a detailed video on this as well. Please watch that out, guys. So then comes ITC. The company's standalone net profit increases marginally in the quarter one FY 2024, and the revenue from operation rose 7% year on year, guys. So but the main thing is it's misses the estimations. So there will be an estimation, right, for a blue chip company or a famous company. So there will be expectation, but this ITC has missed its estimates. So because of that, ITC will also be in focus. Then comes Tata Motors. The company has reported a 74% year-on-year jump, and the revenue from operations rose 5.7% year-on-year. Because of that, that will also be in focus. So then comes Zomato. There is a big shout out for Zomato, guys. Zomato will be in Zoom today because its net profit jumps to 126 times to 253 crores in the April-June quarter, whereas in the case of same a year ago it was a loss-making company, but this a year after that it is making 253 crores net profit. Because of that, it will be in focus. Then comes the revenue rose 74% year on year for Zomato. So then Aditya Birla Capital, the company has reported a 17% year on year increase in the net profit. The company sales increased to 25%. So then comes Adani Enterprises. The company net profit jumped to 1,455 crore, growing more than twofold in quarter one FY 2025. The revenue from operation also rose 12% year on year. Adani Enterprises will also be in focus because of its own results. So then quickly see the FIS and AIS activities yesterday. If you look at the FIS bought 2,000 crore in the cash segment. At the same time, like DIS sold 337 crores. So if you look at Nifty 50, yesterday it was achieved in a milestone and crossed 25,000 level, and later on it gave up its gains in the afternoon session as well. So that if you look at the American market also closed negative yesterday, 1.21% negative for the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq also closed negative yesterday, 2.30% negative. If you look at the GIFT Nifty, as of now it is trading in the negative, so which is indicating the weak start for our Indian market as well. Our Indian market may also open negative gap down opening today, so that is what we can expect from the global cues which are available, American market performance and Nifty and all. So our market can also open gap down or negative base today. So we'll see how it is going to take up from there onwards. So we will see that one. So that's all from my end. If you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you so very much.